Hi. We have quite a bit on the agenda this week. I have to get ready for the Pride Parade, the concert. Rex Orange County's concert is on the same day, which I'm so excited for. Just to keep us occupied. Let's get started!
You're such a friendly puppy. Zilla.
Yay! Thanks, Zilla. Zilla, paw now. Can I have your paw, please? Hello, it's a new day. I'm currently going to McMaster for a social event thing, and I feel very cute. I used the new lipstick.
On the best snack.
She can talk. She said no one is. Your 3-year-old sister says more.
I don't know, dear, just how far we'll go, but I hope here is where I lay low, trade those late nights for early sunrise, so I have time to look in your eyes. Come on over and do nothing with me till we're older. Come do nothing with me. Do nothing with me. Do nothing with me. Everyone thinks you're a setting sun.
Rex just canceled his concert, and I've been looking forward to this for months. And guess how I found out? I found out from TikTok. Someone posted that, oh, hey, girly pops, help me out because I want to support my friend and go to Rex with her. But I don't listen to him. I was already like, red flag. But anyways, and I read the comments, and people were like, it's okay, girly pop, he canceled the show in Toronto. I was like, tell me I'm getting cursed right now. But there was no, the whole thread, there was no Chris. I'm sure I'll have fun tomorrow, and I can probably go to clubs if I want to, but like, So we're gonna do the makeup look now. I'm gonna start off with just doing my makeup like how I usually do it. Where's my concealer? Oh shit, it's right here, like right under my eye bag. What the?
They know nothing. Your time has begun. Each time they say no.
And then now for the fun part, I get to actually do what she does, which is add a lot of freckles over here and under my eyes, like almost like where the eye circles are.
The more I think so,
Tap, tap, tap.
oh, it just shows what you can.
It's kind of hard because this brush is like, oh, hack, makeup hack. Who needs a fan brush when you can just do this? I want to add more because her nose is more buttony and flat at the same time. So that's kind of what I try to emulate. The good thing is that my eyebrows are pretty thin now, which she also has thin brows, so I think it makes sense. Maybe I'll just elongate it a bit.
You can't control.
I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on mascara to really see the full look. My bum lashes are pretty long, but she definitely has like mascara on her bottom lashes. Also, I'm not gonna wear falsies because I never wear falsies. Let me show you both my eyes. It's not super even. It looks pretty good. Into my lashes. Now we're gonna do my lips because her lips are way bigger than mine, and I'm gonna go ham.
And do nothing with me.
Whoa. Okay, that's like really red. I'm gonna dab some concealer. I'm gonna put on some Vaseline. Okay, so this is the final look. I think it looks pretty good, but I'm not quite used to it, so I don't know how I feel about it just yet. Side view. Not bad.
I'm crossing the Potomac after we talked last night.
Happy Pride,
We
Toronto, make
both
the
got what we
noise!
wanted, just not wanted at this time. The weight is on my shoulders, 'cause I just wanna hear your voice. We're both now getting older, too old to just be background noise. Money doesn't go as far as you think, and you don't need a label for goodbye to sting. We dance until we bleed. I couldn't buy flowers while I was in the 9 to 5. You were my happy hour, but that feeling doesn't need a time.
I am now on a very important mission to find my tutor. I might even post it on TikTok as a joke to find him, because it's just crazy. Like, he randomly left me when he was helping me edit uni apps. He didn't give the supervisor or like the owner of the tutor place any reason, and I must find him. New challenge, I'm gonna film myself every time I see a dick or boob.